What's up, guys? Welcome to the Stochastic channel. I'm super there to have you guys here today. So today, let's quickly go through this strategy right here. And this strategy that we are saying can make you tons of money trading the bull market crash. And with this strategy, I was able to grow a $1,200 plus account into a $4,000, which you can see right here right now. So with this strategy, if you can make use of strategy wisely, to understand what I am about to teach you guys today, you can use strategy to make money trading bull market crash. Okay, if you are new to the channel, so don't forget to subscribe, like, turn on post notification, and then before strategy, you guys will be aware. So guys, make sure you watch this video to the end so you won't meet any explanation about the strategy right here. So make sure you watch this video to the end. That's the benefit that you are going to gain. Joining my subscribe and joining our YouTube community. So if you want account management, just contact the number you're seeing at the screen for account management. No matter how small or big your equity is, just contact us for account management and we'll be able to assist you out, manage your account, and then we trade for you, make money, and then we share the profit. We have terms and conditions for our account management, and we'll be able to send you the times. We go through it, and if you accept with the times, if you agree, then we are going to manage your account for you. So with that being said, let's quickly jump into the strategy right here. So this strategy is a quick one, and this strategy we are going to go through it together right here. So the first thing I want to show you guys is that I want to show you guys the settings for the strategy before I teach you guys how you are going to make use of the strategy. So I'll first show you guys the settings for this indicator, and then I'll teach you guys confirmation, everything you need to do by using the strategy right here. So to add this indicator up, just go to this icon you are seeing at the top. Now click on the icon, and then let me delete everything up. So we are going to start from scratch. So now the first indicator we are going to be adding is going to be the stochastic oscillator. Now click on the F plot, which is going to be in your main chart. Click on the F plus and search for your stochastic oscillator. This stochastic oscillator right here. Now click on the stochastic oscillator, and then this is the parameters for the stochastic oscillator. Now I won't be able to go through this for you guys. Just set it up as you are looking at it. Just set it up as you're looking at it, and the levels, you know, the 20, 80, and the 50 level. So the 50 level is going to be the TP level, and the 80 is going to be the over so levels, and 20 is going to be the overbought level. So you set it up like this, then click on done, and we are going to have your stochastic oscillator right in your chart. Now the next indicator we are going to be adding is going to be in our indicator window 1. So if you click on the F plus of the indicator window 1 and search for your MACD, this is the MACD right here. Now click on the MACD, and this is the parameters for the MACD. The first EMA is 10 and the slow EMA is 23. The MACD SMA is 4. Apply to close and the style. We only need the signal, which I'm going to be using the pink color, so you can choose any color of your desired. Now when you set everything up like this, then click on save, and you're going to have your MACD right in the chart. Now the last one, not the least, indicator we are going to be adding is going to be the RSI. Now click on the F plus, and then search for your RSI right here. This is the RSI. So click on the RSI, and this is the parameters for the RSI. The period is going to be 7. Apply to close, and this time I'm going to be using the blue color. Now remember, in the RSI we don't need the levels, we just need settings. Now click on save, and set everything up, and this is how your chart is going to look like. This is how your chart is going to look like. Remember, we are on a 1 hour time frame, so which means that this strategy are useful on the higher time frame, not the lower time frame. Now the reason why I make this strategy for you guys is that I figure that the most of the money that we make in the forex market usually comes for holding trades, usually come from a bigger time frame. So that's why I decided to shoot this video for you guys, how you can make use of this strategy to make money holding trades for hours, sometimes day, then make crazy money with position. Remember, see how this market was moved right here, so going up and down, up and down, up and down, but I still keep holding it and keep generating me a lot of money. So make sure you stay tuned with this video, watch this video to the end, so you don't miss any damn thing about the explanation about the strategy. So let me show you guys the confirmation, everything you need to do before using strategy to make money. Now the first thing you want to look out for right here is just make sure that all you have to do is just to look into your indicator window 1. That is what you will be looking at. No matter how the market moves, You just need to be looking at your indicator no longer window 1. Before I forget, let me show you guys settings, the zoom level for the strategy right here. You can see I have zoomed out completely. Just zoom in twice. So when you zoom in twice, then you're going to see how chart is going to look like. So just zoom in twice, that's it. So that's it right here. So you zoom in twice and then you are good to go. Now when you look into your indicator window 1 right here, now this is the first thing you want to look out for. The first thing you want to look out for is that you want to see both the MACD and the RSI touching the 80 levels of the stochastic oscillator. When you see that touches, then you want to look out for these two happens, which means that the MACD line needs to cross above the stochastic the RSI line right here. Remember, the RSI is the blue one and the MACD is the pink one. Now you need to see that the MACD line crossing above the RSI line, which means that the RSI line need to move down below the MACD line. When you see that, then that's when you are expected to go for a sell movement. That's when you are expected to go for a sell. No matter how the market was moved, all you need to wait till you reach your 50 levels or you reach your 20 levels of the stochastic oscillator. When it reaches, then you can close your entries. Okay, this is when you close for entry. That is for a sell trade, and for a buy trade right here. So you can see it's a quick one. Now for a buy trade right here, this is what you need to see. The first thing you want to see is that you want to look right here. Look into your chart, and then you want to see both the MACD and the RSI touching the 20 level of the stochastic oscillator. And it touches, then you want to see a crossover happens, which means that the red, the blue, which is the RSI, needs to move above the MACD line. When you're moving above it, then that's when you are expected to go for a buy. And no matter how moves the market is, no matter how moves the market, no matter how choppy, how trend the market is, just keep on holding the trade till you reach your 50 levels or reach your 80 levels of the stochastic oscillator. So that's what you need to wait for, guys. That's what you need to wait for before taking any trades with the strategy right here. So that is on job, and same thing applicable on the crash indices as well. Same thing applicable on the crash indices as well. But on the crash indices, especially the crash 1000, when you see a opportunity to trade with, make sure you TP at the 50 levels. Don't let it more than the 50 levels. TP at the 50 levels on the crash 1000. Okay, so when you see all the criteria have been met, then TP at the, when you are going for a buy, TP at 50 levels, and when you are going for a sell, TP also at 50 levels. So that is that on that. Okay, that's that on that, guys. I hope you guys find this video helpful. I don't want the video to be long, just quick and easy one right here. Quick and easy one right here. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on post notification. And time posting strategy, you guys will be aware. Thank you guys. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.